Hi, I'm Sweta. I'm one of your instructors for this course. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've done my bachelor's in electrical engineering from IIT Madras and I have an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. I was one of the earliest analytics professionals at Flipkart. I worked at Flipkart for 4.5 years in analytics and business finance. And I got a chance to learn a lot. We think this course is for everyone. You could be somebody who is looking to get their hands dirty and figure out how to automate things around your home. You need not be an engineer to do this. You can learn from scratch how to automate things around your home with the Raspberry Pi in this course. Or you might be somebody who is looking to understand what is all this buzz about the Internet of Things. You might be thinking about doing a startup and want to look for new ideas. Or you might be wanting to work in a tech startup that is exploring Internet of Things. If you want to understand what the Internet of Things is, this course is perfect for you. We think this course is serious yet accessible. It's accessible because there is no prerequisite. You need not be an electrical engineer. You need not know anything about Internet of Things or Raspberry Pi before you start this course. But at the end of the course, you'll know a lot. You'll be able to build your own home automation projects. You'll be able to think of a cool IoT application and figure out what are the components needed to build it. This course is not like a manual. It doesn't just tell you to do step A and step B to build a particular project. It will explain the basics and the concepts involved so that you can put together these components on your own. Let me give you a glimpse of what is possible at the end of this course. You could have built a home automation project where you walk into a room and all the lights turn on automatically, the music system turns on to your favorite radio station and other things, turning your home into the perfect smart companion.